Get me a.
I don't know. Greg's got our camera.
Okay, ready?
Say it.
Okay, open your eyes. What is that? Okay. Do you like it?
Is it the best birthday present ever?
Oh, watch out.
Oh, she'll figure that out.
Yeah, it's your little house. Do you love it?
Woohoo! Trying out everything.
Yeah,
My
it's
own.
your own.
I love this treehouse.
No way!
It's my own treehouse.
Yes, it is. You can play on it all the time.
Grab the handles.
Duck your head when you go down the slide. You gotta sit first.
This is cute. All the grandpas and grandmas got it for you.
For my birthday?
Yes, and Mama and Papa.
Is it the best birthday present ever?
Yeah.
You say thank you to everybody?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, hey look, Papa put your broom in there.
Some foam.
In your treehouse part. You see it? So you get to sweep it out.